musibire mutaba abala Tayari TV na Tarai West mwebale kusima emirimo ya Tayari twikaire tuli hamu kuruga natandikire anti corruption drive Masaka so turugire Masaka at 1000 twikire buheju byokwenda kubamanyisa nti yangali yetu libegenzere government zaite zebichweka ba government zebyango ba government zebyaro zibere zigenzere abo abebembezi aba district na cities abatakurondora na abatayina obuvunanizi bwa sente za mwe wo musoro mulingo guzikuturukiamu ba technocrats ba technocrats sente bakuzitunga ni balya bo bakulya ni bawutambe sente tebachali ambe bo bakuuta kuba omuntu warawuta sente zo muhanda akakwata sente zo muhanda akazuuta okatunda eirembo okatunda cemetery amali tukuzika abantu Kambarara city okatunda eitaka ya city wa district Mbarara okakwata urusozi rwa Bugabe okatunda otayina na permission ekutunda beto kakwesa obugezigezi kandi okatunda bei dondolo bei bakutunda Obugabe urusozi rwa Bugabe ekaba gitonzere milioni 3 aro ndota urusozi ano ekaba 13 na bilioni emo muntu akutagamba akuguza so obusuma bwa mulingo kyo so ka government tugenda kuranira hamu kandi guno omulimo gutorogo kurwanisa obuli bwenguzi tuguli gwange nkabarugara omulimo ogwo gwetu twenda abanya-Uganda tuguli mulimo gwa General Muhoozi Kaine Rugaba tuguli mulimo gwa President Museveni omulimo gwa abanya-Uganda bona tukolere hamu turwanise obuli bwenguzi turwanise n'abasoma abamaziro sente za government abatakuyamba government so nibyebyo so program yakatandika kurunyi katandikira Mbarara ndi mwankole Mbarara town clerk deputy town clerk accounting officer aba procurement tukora investigation na procurement tukora investigation na health department takora muri mogo gwa inakora DHO akutakuba ground abantu bakuraising complaints bakuyitage cyoma cha scan mu yuraro lyambarara abantu babatwara mugerwa private clinic bagende bakole scan kule private kantu ine cyoma echa government nibagamba kifire oli nagenda nakora scan kuli bakusindika abantu kama 15 kilo ni wasule mitwara 3 so oli nakwata kasente naba betu kandi government ekyoma tukachigura kiro so such impunity and unhumbleness is what is killing our state and our nation so Mbarara omuhanda bakalia almost 200 meters of a road bakaziri ezo muhanda gwa Kano Ndukire road bakaziri sente za tax park bakombeka toilet batajiconnectinga asua emazire myaka 3 era toilet ya town agati mu town toina toilet saidemu engineer wa district wabebembezi ba physical planner ba district akazibo muhanda yatekamo echapa yatekao plot which country is this omuhanda oguba irembi akanimyako omwanda ogukutwara abantu mu Kaikuru estate mama Museveni omwanda akabaguteire mu plot aguchingire omuntu mukozi wa government no sanga no gamba dine yanga lina abantu abakumonitoringa programs za government oba tukutuchaga turucha tusoma budget ntuziragawo omuntu wa mugamba agenda yombeka ebyombeko bisatu 3 classrooms na yombeka ochimu ezidi na anena na aziria amarwaro emibazi abasauti balimu emibazi bakugitunda eno Ankole niyo yaitu Ankole is the headquarter of Uganda kuba omwebembezi wa Uganda aruga Ankole omwebembezi aro akuruga Ankole omwebembezi agaruka Muhoozi akuruga Ankole but you are not doing much so the people of Ankole the people of Bujoro the people of Toro the people of Kigezi Western region access the people of Rwenzori tukole tuli ba maziba kuba ensi ija kutusekera ensi kwikara ne tusekera ne gamba banu bakora so iyo tuberege isingiro abebembizi ba isingiro ba kansala ba youth leader bakeri ne bayo sente za web ni bazigabana sente za YLP ni bazigabana ata abo tubakwasire kao akasura bilioni 5 nekichweka oisingiro au Yusimidi road okubana ororo bwanda bulo bwa gusumidi wa isingiro town council you will cry no gamba 5 billion is kagenanka on 7 kilometers sente bakaziria drainage sewage ekuraba hagati mu town ya Isingiro nesirimuka ambala abantu bakunywa amaizi nga oragamba akayanja kano oli nasirimuka notwara drainage amaizi open drainage abakuflash ngani gagenda mu chano nigagenda bala abantu bakuta amaizi. Is this the country we want?
No.
So if it's not the country we want, this war must be confronted by all of us. Kwenda kusima right honorable speaker Jacob both right honorable. Kwenda kusima mkuru wange my Obian friend right honorable Taibwa for coming out strongly to stand with me in this anti-corruption drive. In especially I want to thank all members of cabinet, Prime Minister, Vice President, ministers, and even members of judiciary and the security who are saying enough has been enough. The time to expose the rot is now, and who are the people making the rot. Abantu bakwikana nibanga president taina chatu yambire myakana baitu ati bagenda ni babiro president akaba sente zokora damu ya maizi agakusensera ebyokulya omuntu yakora damu nkamba iri Isingiro damu bakagikora yo serving ebyaro bina damu kuservinga family emu nebyoma bifiri pump tekora the pump is dripping so ebintu ebingi it's quite a lot of things.
So Minister Baramu local government says haro accounting officers ba kao ba state clerks konkana banda vote controllers nkaba engineer ba DHO aba batakora je mu gwabo konkaro officer RDC haro diso abakwemba kora reports bakanga commissioning project says obo oshanjire mu mugobe gubegurguha omunshobeze zero
ensobiza itwitwena ensobiza aba minister ensobiza aba inspectors ensobiza aba accounting officers ensobiza abanya-Uganda abanyacharo ensobiza aba councillor ina kubano okaguza in this financial year what are you doing in my sub county the money has come when are you doing it okagamba ogenda akora kintu na kintu so kukikora lyali tukatekao sente ziti mu budget sente ezo kota kuzileta ijoba irege tuli mureba jarali omuntu nagama Isingiro omuntu nagama nti bakatuwa milioni rwenda tugule itaka tugule negombora izo sente zitaije bataziri bakakosa existing land small land oyi nagamba nti someone wanted land so he had his land and it was small nagoza kwa boundary asasola engineer aja saro muhanda amulekera part emu ya district ajireka side yono ona tekao boundary so it's connivance. Member of parliament they are the oversight they are the controller oversight of every constituency because that is they are the one advocating for money no kwikana ne basaba sent omuli mugoba kozere Isingiro president akakola directive no more road blocks to collect money from people from food items collection is abuza kwelezeri mu butale bayira okusanga Isingiro district omuntu agenda na atwale enta farm na atema motoka farm ni balodinga ebyokulya ndiba muchajenga 2 ni bayika road block ni bamusaba emitwale 3 wetu bakagwiza ge sente zo no collection zibukora amuhanda zirika bebuzabuza nayo bayiro ozubayinege at state house and corruption na IG jogo muri mogwabo but in the meantime to hero road block Isingiro tubanza tukole audit on what they received initially vis-a-vis what is available.
So minister abantu b'ugenzeri noragira ngo bakwatu abo bantatu bo barinkahi ababiri interdicted soon ntakubaho assessment ya office ya prime minister now substantive heads of department baba ya interdiction nabaku bahatu bari hi future aberieta in terms of their jobs
at every investigation yet in investigator I guide once I've guided it's upon the investigation agents but chenkumanya yo town clerk and deputy town clerk bo bali mu command bachara no mu command abambara balo abanaka bamukwasirege ejo timanyiro bali nkati manyire so now the rest is upon IGG CID state house and corruption those agencies responsible for investigating apprehending and presenting to court and DPP now the ball is in their hand.
Minister abantu bakugambira inshonga nyingi inshonga z'amataka inshonga z'amarwaro pages za president byona kora bitware president hariho sente zo kwija kubikoraho ombwire bugufu
president no wakusaramu I don't decide for the president my work is to deliver a message to the president no okusanga TV ya president ero obusumi obukukira obwingi saa ezo zalweba jo president akuba nalora complaint z'abantu nawe mwenyini aba nazirora kandi ajja zikoraho. It's a matter of time. Obundi akwenda kumuremindinga because Uganda yonera mutwe gumu gwa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni the general. So tukwenda kumuyamba tumuremindinge. Yeah, so the president needs to be supported and reminded and we are not doing that job.
Minister Baramu ocho no ukora abantu binyamba kisima ngukikire. Konga bamwe bine obutikirezana na enkora.
Abakwiba bayine enkora. Abakwiba bayina formula yokwiba. So oraba oyina omuntu akwiba atayina formula yokwiba oyina kumukwata atayina formula yokumukwata.
Takubasa kuzomukote akacharenje ngoku ya ihirwa murumo kuyatongere interdiction government akaenda ni mshashora.
Ato mulimo gwa investigation gulichi. Let them investigate, take to DPP. DPP waragama to ino musango deno ina kwe defending. Orawoza musango waragama because that interdiction doesn't mean bakubingire. Interdiction step aside to enable impartial investigation.
Okay.
Ogo investigation is not my work. And someone proving that he has a case ogo mulimo tuguli gwange gwa DPP.
Minister Baramu district says wajirimu. General findings ebyoshanyambya nakushana om abuse mu embezzlement ni nshonga kizojo to almost district nchishangire.
Okulya sente na ghost health workers. Kiri mu district zone. Abantu okora ebintu okora emirimu etali yabo la kaguteking over kagutwara. Iri mu district zone. Yes.
And tokutina ngo okozara abazugubinji omu local governments buri account either na kutina
na John the Baptist akakora abazugubinji. John the Baptist the apostle. He also created so many enemies and so many friends. Abakusabira baroba inji nabakunyanga baroba inji. But I don't care. Let me be remembered in Taroro Nkaro Mzeiru Bauraino Ruero 1986. They rescued Uganda and liberated Uganda for 40 years. So na nyowe kwenda ensenyi jukire. Takaba omusajja omunyoro omutagaba rugara tiyatinaga. Omutatina. Tikwenda kutina ne mujukuru akabalega.
So minister ejenshonga ito abantu kanture bitu Baramuwenga. Na ba minister bandi webyamagana ija kutayaya na wakwatse ba ini charge akwatse bona bareba bashoboze na regini crusade yawe nka champion
ati crusade and corruption it is everyone's responsibility but it depends you ogambire tokutina abanyanzigwa werabani batina abanyanzigwa babatini nyente ije kora sente kija kukora to improve service delivery. Yes. So it's upon government. Everybody has his role. Let everyone do his role. I'm not the supervisor. Think abaga omukama wa cabinet. Think abaga chief prime minister. Chief minister. Hapana. Candidate in the park public accounts committee chairperson. But I'm telling them there is a mistake here. Let us work together to sort that mistake. So ababaira tayari mwebale njagaruka tuino obwire tuba TV tukole program mukama aba omugisa.
Okay. Yabare Minister Baramu nwetu antugambana we omwabaje uko ntenda kumureka zikuhumura hasi birarihire